Woza soccer beat yethu. Sibuyile. Siphethe OJ uphendula imibuzo yenu. Andingeni indawo. Subscriber uzokwazi ukuthumela imibuzo nawe. Subscribe, ucomment ezansi. OJ ulapha for nina abafethu. Hayi mina. Uzele nina Soccer Beat family. Siyakubonga OJ ukuthi uphinde ubuye. Ngoba le mibuzo minintsi mfondini.
Kundeka ngayiphendula yonke.
Masingena
Ngayiphendula yonke.
@Mpilo Nzimande 6258 inde OJ, it's a long comment, so zai summarize nje fast. Athi ukhumbula skhathi udlala kwi Tottenham, and then you'll never forget your battle against Ronaldinho. Uthi wamphula uRonaldinho. OJ wafuna umphula yini indaba?
Ngamgeja ngethekile ngakithi menze njalo.
Wayihlupha yini indaba?
Bengazwani phela vele nalabantu abahlupha kakhulu bengibaqondisa mina.
Sure. Yini onositshela ngayo ngala game?
Yabo le game. It was very important to career to rub shoulders nabantu aba-capable kanje ya. And kwamina angenza ukuthi ngizibone ukuthi kanti nami ngi-capable kangaka ngama-level abo yangithola. So that game it was a signature in my football career to rub shoulders with so big players. Namhlanje then he was not big then kakhulu Ronaldo then, kodwa but manje is one of the best in the world. So it meant a lot to me ukuthi nami in my football career ngikwazi ukufika kwi-standard where I play with players who are rated the best in the world. So I think the game too. Yeah, I respected that game because njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi rubbing shoulders with big players abazokneza umhlaba wonke, nami it meant ukuthi nami ngibalulekile, nami ngumuntu, nami I've done something with my career. Yeah.
Inzima ke leyilandelayo OJ. Inzima kakhulu le questions akubuza yona. At Nobuntu Murake 6148 uthi which football team did you enjoy playing for the most? Inzima kakhulu le OJ. Yeyiphi yona team enjoy udlala kuyo? Enjoy ile udlala kuyo?
Kumina ayikho nzima kakhulu because i-team bro wami i-Pirate. I think i-Pirate ngayichaza before kwamanye ama-questions amanye ama-supporters ayengibuza amanye ama-interview engangabuzwa kuwona. I think i-Pirate gave me a platform and bangithemba kwi-Pirates because nakhona kwi-Pirates I was a young captain. Yes, so kwaba into ebuild-a phela ukuthi ngize ngingene nakubafana and being the youngest captain kwiBafana. I think that foundation that I built ne-Pirate was very, very important kwi-career yami. Because nakhona kwi-Pirate ngike ngawina ama-awards amaningi kwi-Pirate. I was the youngest player kwi-Pirate, I was a player of the season kwi-Pirate. So nje what I will say, I enjoyed my football kwi-Pirates. Ngiyababona o-Tottenham no, but I'm not saying ukuthi I didn't ever enjoy my football kodwa, but the foundation that was built kwi-Pirates going forward ngoba iyona foundation eyaletha oBafana being the youngest captain, iyona foundation eyaletha i-Tottenham Hotspurs ukuthi ikwazi nayo ukuthi ingidinge England. So I enjoyed playing with Pirates, and I think that's where I made my name with Pirates. And ngibonga kakhulu, ngifuna ukubonga the late usisizo kakhulu usizodwa kufaza because usisi wami lo usisi wami angazi ngizoyithini. I wish he was still alive ukuthi angizwe ukuthi the way he made me ngiyabonga ngoba angikwazanga ukumbonga esaphila kodwa-ke ngiyabonga ifamily yakhona yakakhoza izozwa ukuthi ngimbongile yize ngingakwazanga ukusithola isikhathi sokumbonga esaphila kodwa bese ngibonga loya sisi giving me that platform even netime lakhona ubaba khona giving me that opportunity ngizothini angikaze ngakukhuluma lento ukubonga angikaze ngakusho bezwe bathi nje hayi ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu kubona.
Hey, usisi Zo nabo Cheese bakhuluma kahle kakhulu ngosisi Zo. Baningi ama-player ePirates abathachile big time. Elandelayo isuka ku at Crisius, I think this is Crisius Chiremba, at Crisius Chiremba. Life is a journey. As he shares his journey, it's up to us to learn from both the positives and negatives before our upcoming stars make the same mistakes. Ikuzwa njani mabekhuluma njalo OG?
For us abantu eseke sayihamba indlela kunabantu abengakayihambi indlela. I think bayasidinga kakhulu labo bantu because we already experience izinto ey'ningi. It's either negative or positive. So kubalulekile ukuthi sibe khona around ukuze sikwazi ukudlulisela kubona lolu lwazi, ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sidlulisele ulwazi ukuthi kube easy kubona bangenzi mistakes that thina esiwenzile empilweni. So kubaluleke kakhulu kumina ukuthi khona i-question esiyidlulile nje eshilo ukuthi hayi OJ we need him more. We need him more ukuze sikwazi ukuthi nathi sidlulisele ulwazi kwabantu abalandelayo ngemva. So I think kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi sibe khona sikwazi ukuliphusha lolo lwazi, sikwazi ukubagayida because i-South Africa inabantu aba-talented kakhulu i-football.
Big time. If bangakubuza OJ, if bangakubuza bathi yini eyodwa onothi you know abantu benza ama-mistakes amaningi, amaphutha amaningi, uthi wena yazi lela phutha angazi ngangenwe yini, I shouldn't have been there or I shouldn't have done that, or ikhona eyodwa nje onositshela ngayo ukuthi hayi angazi nami out yami angifunani la because I was supposed to go home, I was yabo because zonke sinezinto ezinjalo kombe hey ndizothina apha I was not ngemeba ndigodukile.
No, it's simple kakhulu bro wami. It's simple kakhulu kumina. Mina I would say iphutha mfethu engangalenza nephutha engathi ngiyaregreta just now is alcohol bro wami. Alcohol doesn't mix with ama-athlete. Ngeke ngithi with footballers. Ngizobala an athlete because the athlete umuntu overall a sport person. It's an overall sport person. Yeah. So i-alcohol program, yes, nama-drugs uvele la awangeni. Ayangena kakhulu, I'm sorry, ayangena kakhulu. But for me, I will say alcohol. Alcohol. In motion, bro, angifuni ukuqamba and I don't wish ukuthi kube khona esinye i-sport person esizothi sithi drink alcohol because it's something amazi no-oil amanzi no-oil azoyi-destabilize i-career yakho in so many ways, injuries, missing training, ungakwazi yabona nje even personal life yakho even Premier League lokhunjana yakho. So I would say ukuthi mfethu abantu abakhulu emva kwethu abafuna ukuphumelela, they just need to stay away from that.
OJ, xa sivala mfethu, eyokugqibela ke xa sivala, from Umbuso S. Skakane, Umbuso S. Skakane, a passionate supporter, please OJ, ignore the negativity online. I'd like to please remind him that true football supporters will always respect what he achieved on the pitch. Ucho Umbuso S. Skakane, OJ. Uthi masikuxelele loo nto nje yami.
Umbuso bro wami, ngibonga kakhulu mfethu. Mina angisiyo umuntu o negative. I'm always positive in my life, even though kunama negative things that will be thrown into my life. But ngendlela engi-strong ngayo personally, I know ukuthi yes, you'll be criticized at some stage in your life because akekho umuntu perfect in life. Umuntu siyawenza amaphutha. Yes, siyawenza amaphutha lapha nalaphayana, and nami ngumuntu njengawo wonke umuntu. So yes, ngikwenzile oku-negative, ngikwenzile oku-positive. So and ngiyababonga bonke laba abangikhumbula ngoku-positive engikwenzile empilweni yami.
That's why kukhona uSoccer Beat yethu bafethu. OJ ngowethu. I-legend yethu, usijabulisile kakhulu, unamaphutha wakhe, nathi sinamaphutha wethu. Ayisho ukuthi masimjaje. As a Chilo Umbuso, we can only celebrate no OJ. My love Soccer Beat yethu. So ngiyacela bafethu, even nama negative comments, if ufuna ubuza something enzima, mbuzo OJ, ngoba sizofunda lukhulu. Usho naye uthi uzosinika impendulo so that nathi sizokwazi ufunda. Mhlawumbe umfana wakho ekhaya uzofunda something from into ekhulunywa ngo-OJ. So ningasabi bafethu, buzani imibuzo yenu, u-OJ ukhona. Siyabonga kakhulu abathumela imibuzo so far. Sanibona kwakhona mayibuyile u-OJ. Usezokhuluma nge-Pirates, my performer during the season. Usezokhuluma ngabantu abadlala overseas, aborele. So inde le season baba. Nebafana bafana uzabakhona.
Yebo, sisonke bro wami.
Thank you OJ. Ngiyabonga.
Soccer Beat,